Hello folks, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. It's another weekend here in Malaysia and it's evening, about almost 6 p.m. and I decided to go out on a walk. So usually I go to this park that's really close to my apartment. Today, being a weekend, I thought I'll go to a different park. Something that's slightly far, not too far. It's about 4 kilometers from my place. So today was actually forecasted to be a very rainy day with over 90% chance of rain. So I didn't make any plans to go roam about. I thought I'll stay put at home. But as you can see, it didn't rain. Place is actually very good. It's so green everywhere, so nice. Looks like it's a hiking trail. I was just looking at this map. So there are two places that I can go to. One is I don't know if you can see, one is a place called Bukit Kukus and another one is a gazebo viewing deck. It's quite late actually today, about 1.5 hours to sunset. I don't know, maybe I'll just make a quick walk to the gazebo viewpoint. Hey doggy. There are people here. I wasn't expecting anyone and I was actually expecting, you know, security or someone to stop public from entering the park. And actually there were two policemen who passed by on a motorcycle, and I thought they looked at me, but I thought they would stop me and, you know, question me like, where am I going, what am I doing? But they didn't say anything, so I thought it was fine. And then I saw the map and understood that it's a hiking trail. So there's another marker here that says there's a trail this way and it's about 4 kilometers. Up and down the hike is about 2 hours, and there's another short hike this way, that's 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go for the short hike. So at the entrance, the earlier map that I was showing, there were two people there, and I spoke to one of them. He was a localite, and I asked him, is it fine to go up there, is it safe? He's like, yeah, you can. So I thought it's a long hike, and I told him, you know, doesn't matter, I'll probably come tomorrow or some other day. But he was like, no, you can still do it. It won't take a lot of time. And so here I am. So I met a gentleman again. He's exercising down there. He said hi, and he was happy to see that I decided to, you know, come along the trail. So they've done concrete flooring to make life simpler for us. It's pretty well maintained. It's good. They have this nice little wall painting here. It's really good colors. How much further?
I think about 10-20 minutes.
Okay, thank you. So it's all just steps and steps and stones. I didn't plan for this. Hell, I didn't even have enough water before coming. Whew. Man, this lockdown has made me super lazy. Wow, you can see the whole of Penang from here. I'm sure the GoPro can't do justice to the view, but it is nice. They say this is station 12. Okay, this might be the end of the short trail, the gazebo viewpoint. They actually have this small gymnasium with some basic exercise equipment. Interesting, nice to see. Bench press, some bars. I think I'm coming here again. Definitely coming here again. So this was a surprise. I wasn't really expecting to hike today, and I'm here. Another one of the paintings here. It's nice. And some kind of marker that says the I love the Bukit Jambul hiking trail. 241 meters is the altitude. So I'm gonna be headed back downhill, and I'm definitely coming here again. Probably do the long trail that goes to the actual peak. I'm not sure what the name is of that trail. I think it's written here. The way down and the way to Bukit Kukus. So this is Bukit Jambul, and the complete long trail is Bukit Kukus. So I'm gonna be going there once again in the near future. Who knows, maybe even tomorrow. If I don't have any plans, I might come here tomorrow. So the time is 6:30 p.m. I need to get back before sundown. Actually, the sun sets very late here in Penang. It's probably because of the weird time zone that it is in. The sun sets here at around 7:30, and I think that kind of messes up what I'm used to, because back in India the sun sets like by 6, maybe 6:30 worst case. So it gets dark pretty soon, but in Penang it's quite the opposite. Probably because of the weird time zone it is in. Penang follows the Chinese time zone, whereas it should be like ideally be following something like what Thailand is following because of the geographical position. And yeah, I'm done with the trek or the walk, whatever you want to call it. So I met the gentleman again downhill, the guy who you know advised me that it's a good option to walk up right now, and he told me that this place is actually gets really crowded on regular days. It's only because of the lockdown situation that's happening that the place has so less people. I think up and down the trail I met around how many was it? Maybe I think 15 people if I'm not wrong. Alright peeps, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. It was kind of unexpected because I just came out for a walk and I got my GoPro along so that I can click some photos, but turned out to be a good hike. Thanks for watching. I'll be making more videos about my stay in Penang, and I hope it's entertaining and fun to watch. Thank you. If you like the video, do subscribe and stay tuned. I'll be uploading more of my time here in Penang. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.